2 points in this video. 1. How to calculate staff hour working. 2. How to calculate staff hour working but extract 1 hour for break time. 1. How to calculate staff hour working. And after release the payslip in these cells. Here is my staff list. And this example is only find hour of staff working. There are time in and out. Okay, let's find the hours of staff. Click on this cell and press equals and open parentheses. Next, click on time out and minus time in. Close parentheses and multiply 24. Next, close parentheses and enter. This is result hour working of staff. Next, total the payslip. Press equals and click hour and multiply with hour rate and press enter. Okay, here that the outcome of total payslip of staff. Now the first point is done. 2. How to calculate the hour working of staff but extract 1 hour for break time. This is an example for hour working of staff. And here is payslip. And I have time in and out the same one example. I just explain you that for this time in and out is on the morning, so I don't extract break time. Okay, how to adjust or use function to calculate. Now I remove the result in cells. First, click on cell and press equals. Next, type if function and parentheses 2 times. After, click on time out and minus time in. Close parentheses and multiply 24. Press less than and equal sign and type number 5. Next, comma and open parentheses. After, click time out minus sign and click time in. Close parentheses and multiply 24. Comma and open parentheses. And click on time out and minus time in. Close parentheses and multiply 24. Close parentheses again and one more the parentheses on here. Next, type minus sign and number 1 and close parentheses and enter. Okay, this is result display for staff hour working. I want to express you that here time in and out. It's morning time, so it doesn't extract the break time. But here has 1 hour extracted. Because these staff is start from the morning until evening. It's correct. Next, show the total payslip. Click on cell and press equals. I use product function to multiply hours working with hour rate. Okay, second point is done.